morning. So, me and
Isabella
are off to a camp today in North Wales.
Snowdonia!
Yeah, we're going to go and try and find a log cabin. It's not just an ordinary log cabin. What kind of log cabin is it?
It's a bothy.
It's a bothy.
And it's hidden.
A secret one.
So no one knows where it is. Well,
Not even us.
not even us.
I think we're going to be buggered. Oh well. So we'll have to find it. I've got a rough idea on where it is. The weather's giving us rain, so hopefully there's going to be no one there. So we'll have the place to ourselves. We've got some curry for dinner. We've got pot noodles for snacks.
We've also got these.
Got them as well, yeah. They're nice. Although I didn't put them on the boot of the car, and yeah, I closed the boot with them in there. Might have killed a couple of them. Anyway, so we are out today. We've got about 2-hour drive. Is it 2-hour drive? Yeah, about a 2-hour drive from home to the location where we're going to stop. It's about a 2-hour drive. The time is currently 10 to 8, so we've been going for about 20 minutes. Just aiming towards Chester, circumnavigate Chester, out the back end of that, and then up on the North Coastal Road, so it should be quite nice, and then drop down into Snowdonia once we hit that area, so it should be quite good. Weather today, it's overcast here, raining. I am expecting maybe a little glimpse of the sun later on today. There's 2 waves of rain coming in. One's in now, and the next one is in tonight, early hours of the morning. So in between, I think we're just going to have a bit of scat showers. So it should be quite good. So from me and Bella, we'll see you in a bit.
Bye!
Say cheese. So evidently I'm a Sherpa. Got everything. More sticks over there.
My stick?
Yeah.
Where? Oh yeah.
Yes.
So, what we've done is it's all the way up there. There's Daddy. Okay, there it is!
Look at the views.
Wow. Okay, we gotta be quick because it's on 0%. There! We made it! Last bit now. Yay!
Ooh.
Should I head in?
So, we parked up. It's taken us about an hour to get here, or so. hiking, quite slow hiking because of this lot, but it's been worth it.
Definitely.
So we'll be looking around for some dead wood. I found loads. Still at the cabin, looking good.
We explored for a little bit.
Yeah, we explored. We went all up on the top hills over there. And then down there. I was going to take you over there and have a little look at the view. Be right back. Well, after a nice eventful morning, we are here. We found it. Look at that view, look. The view's amazing. You can't beat that view with the food of kings. Pot noodle. That's what I'm talking about. Bella's just over there. There's the secret cabin. Look at that, look. It's really nice over there. She's just off to go and get food of queens, like her pot noodle. But yeah, what a good morning. It's quite the hike up here. It's quite steep. 2-hour drive. We stopped at a few places, so it was more like 2.5, 3 hours. We stopped at Egan Valley just to have a look at the waterfall there, and then stopped at a couple of lakes on the way through because it was so still. It was like a mirror. Really, really nice. So, okay? Yeah, she's coming back with a pot noodle. But yeah, so they said it was going to be an absolutely hammering down. I think it is due to rain quite a lot tonight. But overnight, at that point, I'll be asleep. But in the meantime, look at that, look. That's not bad for a Saturday afternoon. What time is it now? Have a look. I can't see. Time is just gone 12 o'clock. So just gone midday. So good stuff. Daddy daycare hiking. Love it. I was just up the road from the log cabin. You got that view. I hope you can see it. The sun's been out all day. The cloud's coming in now. The log cabin over there looking ominous. So Bella's going to carry on doing wood. I'm going to head back. I'll be starting dinner soon. We've got curry tonight. Should be quite good. I didn't bring any rice though. The amount of curry that I've got, I made it about a week ago. It's been in the freezer, so it's been defrosting during the course of the day. So it should be quite nice. Yeah, looking forward to it. So yeah, once the fire's on, I'll come back to you. See you in a bit. I'm just sitting here having dinner. How's dinner?
Wonderful.
Delicious. Made a curry, a chicken curry.
I wouldn't call it curry.
No, what do you call it?
Anything but curry.
Looks like something you pull off a pavement on a Friday night, but it's very tasty.
It is.
I made it probably a couple of weeks ago, and it's been frozen and it's been defrosting during the course of the day up to the hike. So yeah, not a bad view. If I stand up, just spin you around. That's our view for dinner. Not bad at all. You can see in the background, log cabin's going over there with got a fire going on over there. So yeah, we're gonna watch that for a little while. Have dinner, have a sit down, have a cup of tea. Oh. Fall over. Yeah. I just fell over. Me chair sunk into the ground, look. Ugh.
How did it go into the ground?
It's soft ground, look.
It's in the ground.
Oh dear.
Oh no.
I lost my end sock. Right. Let's find somewhere else. Right, we're having dinner.
It's like I'm a celebrity.
Yeah. Except that's not a kangaroo naught. Right, let me sit down and have my dinner. I'll talk to you in a bit. I'll try to finish this off without falling over. Much to her amusement. Back to my pavement pizza. See you in a bit. Oh, there's the fire. There's the fire. That'll be last cup of tea. Bella's here, being blinded by my head torch.
No.
Gonna sleep here tonight. That should be quite cosy. 2 big spreads. Got the phone set up there, waiting to go. I know it's only early. It is only early. We're going to get in. We're going to watch a film for a couple of hours, and then go to sleep. So yeah, it should be good. So I shall see you in the morning. See you night, Bella.